As a Sprint customer, you just bought the latest and greatest device. Now you need the best cell phone insurance to go along. It just so happens there's Sprint Complete Protection for smartphone, specifically for Sprint customers. It covers your typical accidental damage, but also delves into quality of life bonuses you didn't think you want. Protect more than just your smartphone with Sprint Complete Protection for smartphone, with next-day replacement on lost or stolen devices, repairs, and identity restoration. For more quality cell phone insurance, check out our Samsung phone insurance review. Like Geek Squad Phone Protection Plan, the Sprint Complete Protection for smartphone covers the basics: cracked screen repair, lost theft, next-day new device replacement, battery diagnose, and software repairs and malfunctions. Like the SquareTrade cell phone insurance plan, this plan covers other electronics like tablets, watches, and other tech devices. This is similar to your deductible ranges between $50 to $175, based on the value of your device, which falls under 5 tiers, Tier 1 being cheaper, and Tier 5 the most expensive. ACO phone insurance system closely resembles it. There's more than an accidental damage protection plan. You also get access to unlimited cloud storage. This is really nice considering not all service providers have their own backup data option, nor does everyone want to use Google as a free alternative. Handling Sprint Complete Protection for smartphone isn't provided by Sprint, but rather through Asurion. It's a third-party company doing the legwork, just as they do with Geek Squad Phone Protection Plan. View of Asurion is generally okay, with a history of 20 years providing insurance service and 13 million reviews averaging 4.8 stars out of 5. The most common issue people express is jumping through hoops, as they call it, just to make a claim. Security features come in the form of the Complete Security app, which houses passwords for various platforms like Facebook and Outlook, locked under fingerprint or passcode. It's effective, especially if you like having an extra layer over top your phone's unlock screen. Sprint Complete Protection for smartphones is strictly limited to monthly payments. Tier 1 costs $9 per month. Tier 4 costs $15 per month. Tier 5 is $19 per month. Unfortunately, you cannot choose your tier. It's directly tied to the age of your phone, where new phones tend to be under Tier 5 and older phones landing somewhere between Tier 1 and 4. You're unable to pick your tier. Also, it's limited to Sprint customers only. If you're prone to accidents, then it's definitely worth it, especially if you have an Apple device due to Sprint Complete's ties to AppleCare. It'll send you to Apple stores for repairs during the first 2 years. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.